Marca Incorporated focuses on Sustainable Development Goal number 8, which promotes inclusive and sustainable economic growth, full and productive employment, and decent work for all.
So for the problem, we have graphic designers rely on multiple applications for different tasks. We also have designers struggle to find affordable design software. For the solution, we have portfolio and hiring of graphic designers all in one online platform. We also facilitates collaboration, negotiations, and networks within the design community. For the key metrics, we have skill development team, people who visit the website, and also the number of searches. Next. For the unique value proposition, we have a user-friendly website promoting local graphic designers, offers different tier set of local graphic designers. For the unfair advantage, we have high-quality portfolio and client testimonials. We also have AI conversion of digital arts and the enhanced description algorithm. For the channels, we have community engagement channels, sales and business development channels, and also educational partnerships. For the customer segments, we have students, graphic designers, and corporation. For the cost structures, we have development and maintenance, web hosting platform, and also legal compliance and software licensing expenses. For the revenue streams, we have access to different types of projects and portfolio, freelancing collaboration, and also access to software for graphic designers to use.
For our dehydrated business plan, our business overview, the problem would be multiple applications, different social media platforms to find clients, and finding affordable design software. Our solution, job hunting online platform. Our product or service would be an online job hunting platform exclusively for graphic designers.
Market analysis. Who will buy our product or services? We aim for the students, graphic artists, and professionals. So how will they benefit? Well, it's about access to dedicated platforms, seamless job opportunities, collaboration tools and software, recommendations, integration, cost-effective solutions with both free and premium tools, and learning resources through content marketing. So what are the alternatives they use? They use general job hunting platforms such as LinkedIn, freelancing website, and adapt to online learning, social media, and on portfolio platforms, and it could be used in design marketplace. So why we are better? We focus on graphic design professionals. We integrate the use of AI tools, combines job hunting, collaboration, and learning, and competitive pricing with multiple subscription tiers.
Marketing and sales plan. How our customers will learn about us. We're going to build brand awareness and attract graphic designers. Also strategic plan such as content marketing, include learning materials, blogs and tutorials, and also social media marketing. How will encourage them to tell others about us. We're going to create a community platform and host design competitions. What we'll charge for our product or service. An option to upgrade to more advanced features with the subscription model, and also to develop multiple pricing tiers based on the features and support levels. How we'll get our product or service to our customers. Our cloud-based platform will be accessible from any device with downloadable templates for offline use. The user interface will be continuously improved based on the feedback. How we'll get paid. Users can pay via online banking or e-wallets like GCash and Maya. How will be profitable. Aside from subscriptions, we will pursue partnerships with educational platforms and design software like Canva.
Key objective and success metrics. Our first goal is to increase brand awareness, attract users, select payment process, and integrate it into the platform. And our expected income is 85,000 to 300,000 pesos within that span of 3 months to 1 year with the goal date of 2025. Our second goal is to expand the user base globally, enhance platform features based on user feedback, and establish strategic partnership with educational platforms and design software companies. And our expected income is 300,000 to 600,000 pesos within the span of 1 to 2 years with the goal date of year 2026. Financial plan. Our financial plan focuses on two main sources of funding. First is clients and subscription revenue. The funds will be used on the platform development, server maintenance, and customer support. Second source of funding is investors and partnerships. The funds will be used on marketing, promotional activities, and feature enhancement.
For starting a business, our business type would be corporation, our business name would be Marca Incorporated or Marca Inc., and our target market would be students, graphic artists, senior or graduated, and professionals.